Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is May Faith Love Vlog. Hope everyone are doing fine today. It's Sunday morning. Walang pasok mga ka-friends. So for today's video, health is wealth. So we're going to have some time for exercise in this spacious area. So we're going first have a walk, and then later on we have a skipping rope exercise. Okay, so let's go. And this beautiful area here. Dito mga ka-friends, maraming ding mag-exercise dito. Matagal na din kasi ako hindi nakapag-exercise mga ka-friends. So, we are going for super nice yung fresh air. Mahangin dito mga ka-friends. So, very relaxing here. I hope kayo din po. Meron ditong nagbabalibol. May nag-practice na sasayaw dito. Malaking area kasi dito mga ka-friends. Dito kami sa Consolacion. Sila nag-exercise. Ang iba nagpa-practice na sayaw. Let's do have a jumping group now, and let's try to have a 50 counts jumping group. Sabayan niyo ako mga ka-friends ha. Okay? So mga ka-friends, tapos na kaming mag-exercise. And so, hope kayo din mga ka-friends, mag-exercise din kayo minsan. And so, let's end up the video here with a sip of buko juice. Hope everyone's are doing great and have a nice day everyone. God bless you all. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please guys, mga ka-friends, subscribe, watch, and like my videos. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.